Welcome, my dear student. Today I am going to describe about photosynthesis and respiration. Hope this review class helped to you to get an idea about question pattern. And after watching this video, if you have any question about photosynthesis and respiration, please write down on comments box. I will try to give your answer as soon as possible. Photosynthesis. Light comes from the sun traveling 160 miles kilometer distance. Plants use very small amount of this sunlight and converted it into chemical energy as carbohydrate. Green cell of the green plants are the factory of preparing food. Food produced from this factory give lives to whole living world. In respiration, this food is oxidized by the oxygen and releases energy. Again, oxygen is filled up by photosynthesis. Besides, availability of the fossil fuel in the planet is possible only because of photosynthesis. The biochemical process by which green plants prepare carbohydrate food from water and carbon dioxide with the help of solar energy and chlorophyll and release oxygen as byproduct. This process is called photosynthesis. Generally, the equation carbon dioxide plus water body and main product is glucose. In photosynthesis process, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Here chlorophyll of chloroplast receives solar energy photon from sunlight. Energy or ATP is stored in food and food is produced by reducing carbon dioxide. In this process, carbon dioxide and water are the main components and sunlight and chlorophyll are the auxiliary components. In 1905, English scientist Blackman proved for the first time that is the photosynthesis is divided into two phases, light phases and dark phases. First one is light dependent, but the second one is light neutral. So now I am going to describe about respiration. Respiration is a very important biological process for all living beings. The main source of energy is the sun. Plant store solar energy in their food as carbohydrate as a potential energy by the photosynthesis processes. The stored energy in the food cannot be directly used by the organisms for the maintenance of their life. By the process of respiration, potential energy of food is converted into usable kinetic energy. So, the biochemical process by which organism produce kinetic energy by the oxidation of food with or without oxygen and release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is called respiration. All living cells of organism perform respiration 24 hours. No cell can live without respiration. The general equation of respiration is here. Respiration occurs in the cytoplasm and mitochondria of the cell. The food materials which is oxidized is known as substrate, carbohydrate, fat, protein, organic acid. These are the oxidized to produce energy. On the basis of the availability of oxygen during respiration, the process is divided into two types. First of all, aerobic respiration, and second one is anaerobic respiration. So aerobic and anaerobic. First of all, anaerobic respiration, the process of respiration which occurs in absence of oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and a small amount of energy. By incomplete oxidizing the respiratory substrate is called anaerobic respiration. Some of the lower organisms like bacteria, yeast, perform this respiration, it can be expressed with the following equation. Second is aerobic respiration. The process of respiration which occur in the absence of, the process of respiration which requires oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and large amount of energy by completing oxidizing the respiratory substrate is called aerobic respiration. Most of all organisms perform this respiration. It can be expressed with the following equation, that is here. So respiration is very much important process for all living organism. Anaerobic respiration is divided into 4 stages. First of all, glycolysis. Second one is formation of acetyl CoA. Number 3, Krebs cycle, and number last, electron transport system. By the following 4 process, the total number of ATP will get 38 molecules after finishing aerobic respiration. Thank you for watching this class till end. Hope this review class will help to you get a more idea about respiration and photosynthesis.